There's lions that go with the lines.
Ow now, brown cow. The arsonist has ugly shaped feet. Templates are all laid out. Just getting a general idea. Manual brake conversion kit installed. The polished master cylinder, and then we polished our adapter just to kind of clean everything up. All looking really good, using all Holley parts, Holley front runner kit, Holley valve covers with provisions for LS coils to be underneath and hidden, and individual throttle body set. Template all finished up. Now it's time to get to work. We are back! We never went anywhere, right? Quick little overview of what we did. Obviously, we got our sicked up, full exhaust on that. Fabbed up custom fan shroud, running 12-inch and 2/8, and built this shroud to fit over mounting points for this radiator. Slides right over, and we'll keep it nice and cool. Plenty of clearance once we're all finished up with it. You know, the crown jewel are all the bead roll pieces. Got the firewall right there all laid out. Provisions for the master cylinder. Got the front radiator cover. How to make a little pocket for the hood latch. That was a fun one. A lot of complex shape in that. And then the side panels. And then some blang blang. Every time I come around, I say, yeah, blang blang. Very special manual brake conversion, polish master. Took the firewall adapter and polished that out as well. Found this really nice lid from ABS, matches all the stuff on the engine bay. And then just to give it that one extra dumb, I went ahead and got the portioning valve polished. Made a different bracket, made it out of stainless, so we polished that out, made some new lines. Had to bring it up and over a little bit. Everything matches, you know, with the polished wheels. And then boom, some polished goodies under here. The valve covers that match the lid. Got some ITB setups going on. Got a polished poly front kit. Got some new polished headers on here. So let's get all this shit installed.
No.
Damn, son! That's all I got to say about that. I am beyond stoked. The whole polish theme is just another level. I've honestly never been a polish guy. Man, I totally get it. Everything's super awesome. Everything's just flowing really good. I love the way the manual brake conversion came out. I mean, it just works really well. And this is gonna be a really badass car when it's done, so I'm super excited to be a part of it. Did the full exhaust, sick dumps, 2 of them, dual sick dumps. Super awesome. Just can't get enough. That's a wrap! Coming at you live from New York. I need complete silence while I'm getting into character. As you can see, well, you obviously, because you're right here. I am beyond stoked. Shit, man, hitting puberty over here.